tell. She likes to... Yeah, it's awake. Mom. Go do what you want to do. Come on, Maddie. Maddie, come on. Well, there is supposed to be a lot of rain today because of how the sky is. It's gonna be a bunch of rain. You guys will get a video today. You will get one, but I'm not sure when I'm not sure if it rained this morning, and so I'm trying to let you guys see her butt. She's on this leash now because so she can enjoy and run around do what she wants. Ooh, my back's warm. My back is warm. Back right there. That right there. If you see the little redness, you see a little redness right there. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come here, Maddie. Maddie. Maddie, come on. The reason why you get this type of video is because she will take a walk, but right now is a lot of Maddie, come on. I gotta get her attention, so yeah. You guys will get 1,000 videos on her channel, and especially the mine and hers, the one that has picture of me and her on. That's ours. Have you seen the old videos? Those like gaming videos, those always stay on there because those was on there before I ended up making the real gaming channel. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, it's a dandelion flower. That's what it looks like. Mom, seriously. Mom, push it, girl. Mom. She has a new collar on. Because my brother's dog decided to break her second collar. First collar she had was probably falling apart anyways, but somehow she got a hold of it and chewed on it. Second one, it's like a snap-on collar where you snap it on and you clip them together. I'll show you on Maddie. Come here, Maddie. Come here for a minute. You see how this right here with clips on? That's what Ava did. Her baby sister. The one, if you see the video of her eating watermelon, that's Ava. This is Maddie. Maddie's the oldest. She's 7 years old. And Ava that's in the house in my brother's room is Maddie right here that you guys are looking at right now. That's Maddie's little sister. Maddie's the big sister. Today's a lot. Come on, let's go this way. Let's go to your favorite spot. Well, sometimes she likes to move, but sometimes I grab a leash and she won't move. Don't mind that's there, because I don't know how that got there. We do definitely need to break all this up, or else it'd be too hard to move it. Yes, you get. Well, you guys will get videos for a while. We just found an app that I didn't know about. We've been posting videos and put title and description on, and use Power Director, and those are the only things we use a lot. Well, if you see some videos that the video I just posted just a few minutes ago was about welcome to Maddie's channel 2019. We haven't done the video of hers last year, like how some people do the thing and they welcome you to their channel first, and then they all do that. And we haven't got around to that part and haven't done it yet. So I decided to do it last night or just morning. I'm sure. I know it was on May 16 or 19, something like that. I don't remember. Something around there. I can't really remember. We did that before we ended up falling asleep. So yeah. I don't mind that's there and that's there because I don't know how to get all these still get swing over here. I'm going wherever she wants to go. She's a lot of barking in her video. It's her video anyways. It's your video. You can bark in it if you want to. It's your video. I'm not complaining and telling you can't bark. Come on, Maddie. Come on, Maddie. This can go out this far. I'll show you how long Maddie is. Maddie is that long. She can reach all the way out here. The reason I put her on this one the most is because they complain about her brother always sits next to the door. And it's like, it doesn't matter. They probably sit there either to tell you they won't come in or they tell you they want to sit there just to relax. Come on. She's gonna go back where she wants to go. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. You won't get it. Depends on if it's not gonna rain for a while. We've been out here for like 7 hours, almost 8 hours. Maddie, come on. I have to tell her to come on because she is just too distracted. Come here, baby girl. I think you want to go over here. We're gonna have a sitting dog video, like dog that's sitting down and you gotta be staring at her for a while waiting for her to do something. So yeah. So I'm moving her a little bit. She relax. She sits there for a minute, relax, so she can have her energy a little bit. Sorry for that. Oh, sorry for the thing moved this way a little bit. I'm holding it sideways like I always do. I don't film up and down videos. If I accidentally move that up and down a little bit, then sorry. My fault. Yeah, she's trying to get a bath. But you guys will get a video of her taking a bath, but it's gonna have to wait for that for a long time because I don't have a tripod for my phone. I was going to get it, but I don't have a tripod for my phone to stand up so you guys can see her doing it while me giving her a bath. Nothing personal. It's just a dog, you know. So this is how the weather is a little. You can tell how windy it is because of this is not a tree or anything. It's because look, I'll show you. Right there, right here where my finger is Pokey. See what I mean? Right there. And then see? Pokey tree. All from down there all the way till it ends there. Yes, our barrel broke and stuff. I don't know why, but Anyways, hope you guys like it. Comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. And yeah. We will see you guys maybe later on.